In this session, let us learn about Java wrapper classes. Wrapper classes provide a way to use primitive data types, integer, boolean, etc. as objects. The table below shows the primitive type and the equivalent wrapper class. See primitive data type and wrapper class. Byte, byte, short, short, int, integer, long, long, float, float, double, double, boolean, boolean, char, character. Sometimes you must use wrapper classes, for example when working with collection objects such as array list, where primitive types cannot be used, the list can only store objects. See here, if you write and execute this code, the output result printed this 10, 15, 20, 25. Creating wrapper objects. To create a wrapper objects, use the wrapper class instead of primitive type. To get the value, you can just print the objects. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns is 5.99a. Since you are now working with objects, you can use certain methods to get information about the specific objects. For example, the following methods are used to get the value associated with the corresponding wrapper objects: in value method, byte value method, short value method, long value method, float value method, double value method, character value method, boolean value method. This example will output the same result as the example above. If we write and execute this code, the output result returns this 5.99a. Another useful method is the toString method, which is used to convert wrapper objects to strings. In the following example, we convert an integer to a string and use the length method of the string class to output the length of the string. See, if we write and execute this code, the result returns is 3. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 43, Java wrapper classes. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java exceptions, try and catch. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.